RetroPie versus RetroArch. Let's start with RetroPie. RetroPie is a retro gaming platform built primarily for the Raspberry Pi, but also works on Linux. Based on systems, it comes with a full OS image emulators and a nice user interface right out of the box. It's best for people who want an all-in-one plug-and-play retro gaming machine, so it offers some key features. It has a pre-configured e-simulation and station frontend. They also have multiple emulators installed automatically. They also have a controller support out of the box, and they run on Raspberry Pi, which is also a Linux and some PCs. So it's beginner friendly with the setup, and they also have custom themes. Now RetroArch, on the other hand, is a front end for the Liberto API, which allows you to run multiple emulators, or also known as cores, under one unified interface. It runs on almost any device like PC, Mac, Linux, Android, consoles, and even web browsers. It's best for gamers who want maximum flexibility and comfortable configuring the setup manually. It supports dozens of emulator cores, works on nearly every platform, it has advanced shader and filter options, and they have the NetPlay support. It's also extremely versatile and runs on low and high-end devices. So in conclusion, choose RetroPie if you want a ready-made retro gaming OS, and choose RetroArch if you want more control, advanced settings, and to run on any device.